Okay, so for the history EE, I'm just going to send you guys this link so you could open it up and look at other EE examples if you want. We're going to look at example B. Again, this is a really good example. Section A, 6 out of 6. Section B, 6 out of 6. Section C, 11 out of 12. D, 4 out of 4. E, the engagement was 4 out of 6. This was the weakest part. It's actually pretty well written. Engagement tends to be a hard area to really get the full points on, right? But this is a really good example to look at. So we're going to pop open the student work PDF. If you look at the other one here, this is going to be, we'll just open this really quick. You guys can read through this on your own, but that one is going to give you the engagement section. Not sure what happened with mine here, but you'll see the students' reflections as you go through that. So you're going to take a look at that in a minute, but I want to open the student work first. The engagements are actually something you're going to upload onto Manage. So they are not going to go on to your actual EE. On this page, if you want to see the examiner's comments, why the students got the score that they got, look at the commentary section on the side, and that will give you some explanation, right? But I just kind of want to just more or less look at this so you can see visually what a good EE looks like. So we have our cover page, extended essay, history. You have the title, the question, word count posted there. No identifying information. It's important that the examiner does not know who you are, where you're from, anything like that. Table of contents. This is nice and clean. Page numbers. Everything's labeled accordingly. Some brief background information. Go into an introduction. This student chose to use footnotes. There are different citation formats. I know some of you for the IA have chosen to use Chicago style. That's traditionally what is used in history. IB does not require any particular citation style for the extended essay as long as you're consistent throughout. So you can use MLA or APA or any of these. It's fine. I would encourage you to use Chicago footnotes because it's the standard for the discipline, but you're not going to lose points if you don't do that. So that's really up to you, right? So we have introduction. And then on this, you'll notice, like compared to the EE, obviously it's a bigger paper. Introduction is going to be bigger. Then everything has nice little section titles. It makes it nice and organized, easy to make sense of for the reader, and it also should help it make it nice and organized for you as you're writing. You'll notice as you go through, this person had every single page has citations, citations, citations. You should not have in a history EE, or really any EE for that matter, paragraphs without citations, whether it's direct quotations like this person has here, or citation 19 is paraphrasing. You need to have citations all throughout because your analysis should be based on evidence that you're getting from the sources. And so you need to show what that evidence is, right? So we have, again, section title, everything's nice and clean, neat and organized. You guys will have to read through this on your own for detail to look at what the examiner came up with. Another, right, section heading, everything's nice. Conclusion at the end. And then this is where if you're going to use maps, graphs, charts, anything visual like that, you do not put it in the extended essay. You attach it as an appendage on the end. And so this person will have referred to these things throughout the writing, and they'll write something in like see figure 1 in the appendix, right? But you do not put it in the middle of the writing. So that goes on the end. They have a nice alphabetized bibliography. This person even went the extra step to split it up between primary sources and secondary sources, which is a really nice little touch, right? And they've broken it down very well. Number of high quality sources. So that is what a good history EE should look like on the surface. And now we're going to just take a brief look at those reflections.